Assalamu alaikum. My name is Naeem Abbas. I'm your math teacher. Today I deliver a lecture from exercise 13A, question number 6. Draw a right angle with the help of protractor. Bisect it to get an angle of 45 degree. Draw BC, step of construction. Draw BC with a B as a center with an suitable radius. Draw an arc to intersect BC at point P. Step 3, with the P as a center and with the same radius, draw another arc to intersect the previous arc at Q. And step 4, with the Q as a center and with the same radius, draw another arc to intersect the previous arc at R. Step 5, with the Q and R as a center with the same radius, draw two arcs which intersect each other at point O and join B and O. And step 7, extend BO to A. And angle ABC is equal to 90 degree, where PQ and AQ are 45 degree. Exercise number 13B, question number 3, part 1. Measure AB is equal to 8 cm, measure BC is equal to 6 cm, and measure CA is equal to 4 cm. Step of construction, draw AC is equal to 4 cm. Step 2, with the C as a center, draw an arc with the BC is equal to 6 cm which cuts at B. Draw a line from B which meets at C. Step 4, now with the A as a center, draw a arc with the AC is equal to 8 cm with the cuts at B. Join A and B, and triangle ABC is required triangle. Question number 4, part 1. The altitude of an equilateral triangle is a line segment from a vertex perpendicular to its base. Step of construction. Remember, since triangle EFG is equal to equilateral triangle, each angle is 60 degree. Draw AB is approximately 15 cm. Mark a point D at center of AB and draw CD perpendicular to AB. Step 4, with the D as a center, draw an arc with a radius 12 cm so that it intersects perpendicular to CD at E. Step 5, at E, draw two angles of 30 degree each on either side of CD. Measure angle DEF is equal DEF and measure angle DEG is equal to 30 degree. Step 4, mark point F and G where the arms of angle intersect AB, and triangle EFG is a required equilateral triangle. Exercise 14B, question number 6. Given data, measure angle AOB is equal to measure angle BOC is equal to 60 degree. Measure AB is equal to 4 cm. Find BC, measure OAC and measure angle ABC. Solution: as these are equilateral triangles, so measure BC is equal to measure OC is equal to 4 cm and measure angle ABC is equal to 60 degree. As a triangle, equilateral triangle, have each angle is 60 degree. What is the difference between the congruent and similar triangle? Congruent, geometrical figure of same shape and size are congruent, and similar two shapes should be similar. It means that all corresponding angles are equal and all the corresponding sides are in the same ratio. In geometrical, similar figure have all the corresponding angles equal and all the corresponding sides are proportional. Exercise 15, question number 5, part 2. As a triangle are similar.